Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
त्या ॲपांतल्यान म्हणजे पुराय बिचाचे ज्यो गजाली बऱ्यो आनी वायटूय बी दोन्ही आमी नोट करपाक शकतले जेणे करून अपग्रेड करपा खातीर इन फ्युचर दॅट वील हेल्प अस. आज मॉर्निंग ज्या ऑफिसाचें आमी इनॉग्रेशन केलें म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें. मिस्टर सचिन लवंदे when he is working in the US, he has come all the way and he has set up the first office in the state of Goa. ही टेक्नॉलॉजी गोंयांत येवपाक लागल्या ही सुरवात आसा. म्हाका दिसता in the coming days so many players will come to the states. So that's why आमकां ecosystem create करची पडटली so that the startups will play the major role in this ecosystem.
If we need to grow in the right sense, then we need to have the right sense of tourists coming in. Then there is work to be done. We are looking for those tourists who look at when we talk about a per capita spend, we're looking for those tourists who can give a good spend which can help build up the economy further and contribute more to the GDP of the state. At the same time, we need to be responsive and responsible for the infrastructure that we have. There are bottles which are being broken in the sand. You have hawkers which are actually harassing the tourists. You have illegal massages. You have so many things on the beach. Now the beach cleaning guy as a one part, Drishti as life saving guys as a part 2, police as part 3, the shack owners as part 4, and Goa Department of Tourism as part 5 with the command being at the Department of Tourism, the monitoring system. I think a lot of things will start finding accountability and that will allow us to start the first phase of thinking about clean and safe beaches. And our vision, the Chief Minister's vision, is to see Goa featuring in the top 25 startup destinations in Asia by 2025. Then I think we need to start working much more together as a startup.
Yeah, so my name is Akshay, my company's name is Fitness Connect. We actually got a lot of benefits to the scheme. The scheme which we got is Seed Capital Fund, and this was the second tranche which we are getting. In terms of speed, the delay was there in terms of the first tranche, but the second tranche was quite fast. We will be using this money to scale our startup. We are in the scaling stage. It's been around 3 years for our startup. We are into the software business, and as I said, this money will be using for hiring our team and improving our technology as well in terms of data and in terms of artificial intelligence. So yes, my experience has been good so far with this current government, and I expect that in terms of policies, the implementation will be faster, and that is what we as startups expect, because we are always in terms of our urgency is very high and our requirement is also very fast, and that is what we are expecting from this policy. The current the grant which we have got, we are happy about it, and we'll assure the current government and the state also that we'll do good in our domain, which is the fitness sector.
Hello, my name is Kanan Tandi and I'm the co-founder of Konkani Analytics Private Limited. We capture the facial expressions, emotions and words. And the thing what I want to tell you here is the initiative that is taken by the Goan government is amazing. It has been helpful to us as a startup, as a budding startup. And also there are other policies that they have introduced which we are really hoping to get benefited from. That's all from my end. Thank you so much.
Jonathan Joshi, I'm the CEO of IntelliLogos Consulting. We are an IoT-based company setting up in Goa, planning to launch one of India's first document tracking systems where you can secure and track paper documents. We are about to launch that product in the next 3-4 months. I would like to thank the Goa government, Chief Minister, IT Minister, for giving us the opportunity to set something up and looking forward to helping the economy of the state and building it up. So my kind regards to everyone.